So today at ERGT in Perth, doing a drop test for Dolphin1 from roughly about 20 feet or 6 meters. We'll perform the drop test followed by a flip test proving that Dolphin1 can be dropped backwards and still be uprighted. So the flip test completed in less than 3 seconds. As you can see, Dolphin1 can be thrown from a height of 25 meters without being worried about which way it's going to fall, providing ample amount of thrust to save up to 3 people. Once again, this is Dolphin1 at ERGT in Perth, doing a simulated test with Dolphin1. Thank you for watching.